Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas space flight attendant. If you watched my last vlog, then you know that me and Eric are packing up our hotel room and we're heading to Miami for part 2 of our vacation. We are heading out on a cruise. I am so excited. It will be my first cruise. And if you guys missed my Florida vlog, I will link it at the end of this video, but this was our view from our hotel. It is absolutely stunning. I love how close we were to the ocean and the beach. This is the outfit that I'm wearing on my cruise. It's just a dress, and then Eric actually bought me this super cute hat. I've never worn a hat, but I really like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for the cruise? 11? I didn't realize that with cruises there are different terminals. This is like an airport, but for ships. It's really cool. We just got to the cruise drop-off area and it looks like there are different places where we place our bags, and then we go through, like, I think it's some sort of security, and then we get to head onto the ship. And then we have someone here that's gonna help us get all checked in. Just dropped off our bags and now we are heading into Terminal A. We just had our picture taken right before we get on the ship. I keep wanting to call it a boat, it's like a ship. And now we are almost there. This is so fun. We still have a few hours before our room will be ready, but I am starving. We haven't eaten anything at all today, so I just got some pizza, and so we're just gonna eat that and hang out before we can head to our room. This one is Radiance of the Seas. I don't know which one this is. Oh, this is Voyager of the Seas. Is Vision of the Seas? We're on Navigator of the Seas.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We came up to floor 11?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're on floor 11 and we're at an area called the Solarium, and it looks like you have to be 16 or older to come here, so this is nice because it's a lot quieter and I feel like it's more of like an adults only area. Yeah, so it looks like you can have a lounge chair or maybe rent like your own little cabana. There's a bar over there. Oh my gosh, there's a hot tub and a pool. How freaking cool is this? So here's the whirlpool, which I'm assuming is a hot tub in the solarium area. And then over here we have a pool, which it looks like some people are already enjoying. Okay, so this looks like it's the main deck, and they have a pool right here where it looks like kids are allowed. Of course, there are drinks that you can order. This is so cool. I have never seen anything like this before in my entire life. I feel like since this is my first time on a cruise, I'm just feeling like super giddy and really excited, and sort of like I'm in like another world right now. Yeah, and out on the main deck they have some restaurants. They have like some Mexican food right here, and then down there they have a Johnny Rockets, so you can get like shakes and a burger. And there's plenty of places to lay out. Oh, it's windy. We just walked up another level on the cruise, and it looks like it's just like a big area where you can lay out. There's hammocks. Like right here, there's a running track. Not that I will be using it at all. It's like a shower right here, and then you can walk up these little steps, and there's another hot tub right all of the other stuff. This is just insane. I feel like I'm just on another planet or something. This is so cool. And there's a big screen over there that Eric told me sometimes they'll play movies on at nighttime. This area is called the Lime and Coconut Rooftop Hangout area. And Eric was saying that throughout the cruise, this is probably the most empty we will ever see it. So it's pretty cool that I can get some video footage of it now. As you can see, it's right by the main deck. It's like right on top. We also have some of the most like beautiful views of Miami that I've ever seen. So there's these zigzag like pillars, Eric was saying, so that the top of the ship doesn't get so windy. So it looks like we're at the front of the ship now, and there is mini putt-putt, like mini golf. This is really cute. So now we're exploring like the sports area, and there's like a little water park. So there's a basketball court in front of us, and you can see the water slide. So I'll show you guys all of that in just a second. So here's the basketball court. Oh, and then there's the rock wall right here. And as you can see, the slide goes all the way around like the back end of the ship. It looks like people are already going down the slides as well. Here is the Waverider. See, someone's already on it. Are you gonna try this during the cruise? No? Nope. It's actually called the Flow Rider. Yeah, it's called the Flow Rider. I think I might be good at it. I was a gymnast. I have good balance. We'll see. Gosh, that is so cool. You can see people going through this slide. It goes off the boat. The cruise does have a gym that I will not be using. Who knows, maybe Eric will use it if he wants to, but yeah, I think I'm pretty okay not using it. It's a very nice sized gym for a cruise. I was not expecting it to be this big. Eric, you look like such an athlete today.
Do I?
Yeah, you got your Denver soccer backpack, your Denver shirt.
Yeah, I'm repping, that's for sure.
And I look like a tourist. And through here, there's an arcade. Check this out. This is pretty cool. I don't really play games, but this is like a really nice area for kids. Looks like on deck 14, they have like a sushi restaurant and a private function that we are definitely not supposed to be at. Yeah. This is probably the only time that the dining room will not have people in it. We just checked out the dining hall. It was stunning, probably one of the most like beautiful dining halls I've ever seen in my life. And now we're gonna look at the art gallery that is right across like the hallway from the dining hall. So this is the art gallery on the cruise. It is beautiful. Look at how stunning all of this is. And then through here is, I believe, the ice rink. I highly recommend anyone who is going on a cruise, especially for the first time, to get to the cruise ship as early as possible. I have really enjoyed getting to be able to just walk around the ship and see everything for the first time without that many people here. It has just been really such a cool experience. Gambling is a very big thing on cruises. I don't gamble, Eric doesn't gamble, but we're walking through the casino right now just so we can see it. Every day they have a drink of the day, and today it is this pink Mai Tai. But lucky for us, we bought the unlimited drink package, so we don't have to worry about any of our beverages on the cruise, which is super nice. It's 1 o'clock right now, and we were told that our room should be ready by 1, so we're gonna head up there and check it out. Originally, we were in an ocean view balcony room, but we were upgraded to a junior suite. I am so excited. It is so beautiful. Let me show it to you guys. When you walk in the room, there's a mirror right here. Here's the bed. There's a couch, a chair right there. Looks like there's a coffee maker, a TV, some dressers, a large mirror. And then through here, this is our closet. This is super nice. It's like a walk-in closet with a lot of space. And then I'm gonna guess through here we have the bathroom. I've never been on a cruise, so I don't know what a normal size bathroom is on a cruise, but everyone was saying that this is pretty spacious and pretty large for a cruise bathroom. So we have a bathtub right there with the shower. And honestly, this is pretty decently sized. I'm very happy with it. And then we have our own private balcony, which is so cool. I have a feeling this will probably be like my favorite part of the room. This is our private little balcony, which is awesome. There's like this roof right here for some privacy. So you can step out over here and, ooh, I hear that thunder. We have a beautiful view of Miami. Look at this, you guys. Eric got us some champagne and chocolate delivered to the rooms. You are the best. These are our cups that I'm assuming we get with the unlimited beverage package. We're hoping that we get to keep them, but we're not sure. So there are these tugboats right over there that help guide us out to sea to make sure that basically we don't like crash into the road. We just heard an announcement that came over the ship that we have about like 15 or 20 minutes to head to like I think the main dock for a safety demonstration. They said this is like mandatory for everyone on the cruise, even if you've gone before, which is funny. Like as a flight attendant, like we have to give safety demonstrations on our flights too, so this is like really interesting for me to see what the safety demo is going to be like on the cruise ship. And we are officially setting sail. It's time to pop some champagne and get this vacation started. Woo! Time to open this chocolate. Ooh, those are pretty. Key lime, dark chocolate, passion fruit, sea salt, chai tea, and cocoa. What's really cool is from our room we have a view of where the captain is right there. This cruise ship is Norwegian Sky. We would love to go on a Norwegian cruise, so if any of you guys have been on one, let us know in the comments below if you liked it in comparison to Royal Caribbean. Tomorrow we port in Coco Cay, which is Royal Caribbean's private island, so make sure that you stay tuned for that vlog. Me and Eric just got back from dinner. It was really good. So I think we're just going to have a quiet night in, and so we're gonna call it a day. But thank you everyone so much for watching this video and for supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye.